Okay, so the first wig I'm going to be reviewing from Youvimi is the orange short roll wig. It is style YB40817. The price for the wig is $32.99 with bangs that are cut above the eyebrows. And based on the photos, it should have an ombre tone on the cap. So it's basically an orange wig and it should have dark roots so it looks more natural. At least that's how it's depicted on the model. She has dark roots in the center. So based on what I'm looking at, the model has several different hair colors. So it looks like to me, they got a model with orange hair. There's pictures of her hair in different stages of growth. So in some photos, it's on her shoulders. And then some other photos, it's a little bit above her shoulders. Based on these photos, I am expecting orange wig with dark roots. So let's see what I got. Here is the wig. It is orange. It's very fiery orange, about the same as this wig right here. This one has a little bit more depth and dimension to it, but at the same time, well, this one's human hair. So, okay, so right off the bat, this wig is really shiny. It doesn't even look natural. It looks very plasticky. This one is just one flat orange color. There's a little bit of shine, but you can get rid of that with a little bit of baby powder or dry shampoo. It's very wiggy. It reminds me of a character. I can't figure out what character it is right now. So the wig comes short. Some bangs going on. There are no combs in the wig at all. So if you want this to be more secure, I would suggest adding in some combs or clips. And it does have the adjustable strap in the back. Here is what the wefting looks like. If you're trying to style this and updo whatever, what have you, it's not gonna happen. You'll probably get away with a little cute side ponytail on the top of your head. I've had cheaper wigs that have, the hair just feels better. This is heat resistant though, it does say that. Be careful, do like a test strand in the back of the wig. It's the smart thing to do. So here's the wig, and I did cut the bangs on this just so it would fit the picture description, because otherwise the bang went down past my eyebrows and I did not like that. You can't put the hair behind your ears, that's not gonna happen. Brush this out real quick. A few passes of the brush, and I'm using the wig brush just like that. It's already a whole like other chunk came out of that. Let's just keep going. It's shedding a lot. It was shedding as well. Yeah, I don't like that in a wig personally. I mean, I like my wigs not to shed. Where the cap sits, it kind of looks like I have traction alopecia, but that's just where my edges start. And I don't know, the wig just doesn't help that. So I have to pull it down some more. As you can see, this wig does not have dark roots, but it does have like a skin cap, which is about like this big around. I mean, you can't part it. You have to wear the wig as is. I mean, you could do like I said earlier, like a cute little side ponytail. Put a little barrette, you know, rock it that way. It is at shoulder length. It's cute. I ain't gonna lie, it is kind of cute. Not for $32.99 kind of cute, because I can get full-on lace front Remy wigs for 25 bucks on other hair beauty supply websites, and them being lace fronts at that. So $32.99. I'm not happy with this wig. Not like I thought I would be. Based on the photos and what I had expected compared to what I received, it's a no. Not this one. So moving on to the next wig. Harajuku long curly hair, style YB2336. It is a pretty lavender magenta. It looks adorable. This one has more of a berry tone to it as opposed to the lighter shade I was seeing online, but yeah, that's okay. It's still a pretty color. There's no point showing the wefting with this one. It's basically the same. All wefted the same. No combs, no nothing. I had worn this in one of my previous posts. And I thought it was real cute. I like this one, yeah. So just figure combing that, and I got all of this. Oh, that ratty thing. And just finger combing, it does get tangled easily, which kind of sucks. But this one cost $33.47. Now for the length, maybe I would probably stick it around like 25 maybe. It's not a lace front. I can get a lace front in a similar color. If I search hard enough, I can get a lace front like this for about the same price, but the quality would be better and it wouldn't shed as much. So I do like this wig though, just minus the shedding. Find your happy place. Get off. I think it's really cute though. I feel it. I'd wear this one more often than I would the orange one. And as you can see, this has cap as well, but it's a very small section. Like I said, you can't really part it anywhere. Okay, so this next one I haven't tried on at all. I'm kind of apprehensive onto seeing how it looks, but in the photo, it looks really cute. So next wig I am going to try on is the Harajuku Lolita brown short roll wig, style YV 40465, retailing at $32.99 US dollars. This particular wig isn't pictured on the model, it's pictured on the mannequin. Looked really cute on the mannequin, so you know I'm just gonna try it on, hope for the best. It's the same as the other wigs. Pretty nice chestnut brown color. It's untouched. I haven't touched this one. Ooh, and it's long. Okay. Okay, basically same as before, same wefting, same everything. Oh wait, hold up. So this one actually has combs. Okay, so this one is $32.99, which is a little bit cheaper than the other one that I just tried on, the shorter lavender magenta one. It might be because of color, who knows. Oh, okay, shit, I feel cute in this one. I feel hella cute. I don't even care that the bangs are long as shit. Oh man, wow, the bangs aren't as thick on this one, which is really nice. It has more of a fringe bang. Oh, and it's curled really cute. I feel like, I mean, the bangs could still be shorter. I just don't like things touching my eyelids, and then I feel like it interferes. What the fuck? Fuck. Y'all, is that? Wow, okay. Good feelings gone. It literally has a weft that isn't even completely sewn on. If I'm paying $13.99, that's enough for me. I'm gonna just look at the wig in general right now before I start spazzing out. It's really cute, it's long, it goes down a little bit above, about an inch above the butt crack. This wig is so cute, mine was that freaking unsewn weft right there. Okay, I'm just gonna finger comb through it because, is this one not shedding too? Okay, this might be making up for the fact that there was a unsewn weft in the back of my head. So this one isn't shedding as bad, which is really nice. Ooh, look at the wave. It has a very nice natural wave to it. Man, if this was a lace front, I think this is my favorite out of all of the wigs from Youvimi that I have. I need an accessory to put on. Hold up. I feel saucy, bitch. Wow, okay, I see. If it was not for the unsewn weft in the back, I love it. Just don't love that weft. So I have put in order the wigs I liked from least liked to most liked. And with that, this concludes my review of the Youvimi wigs. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you're not already, don't forget to follow me on IG at @O'Malley. Until next time, Mally Cats.